Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase Auth for crypto apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Supabase Auth for your crypto app, begin by creating an account at supabase.io. Once your account is set up, log in to your Supabase dashboard. Click on New Project to create a new project. Fill in the project details, including the name, password, and region. After creating the project, you'll be brought to the project dashboard. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left-hand menu. Under Settings, select API to find your Supabase URL and API key. Keep this information safe, as you'll need it later. Next, go to the Authentication section from the left-hand menu. Enable the authentication providers you wish to support, such as email, Google, or GitHub. Now, in your local development environment, set up a new project if you haven't already. Install the Supabase client library using npm or yarn. Run the command npm install at supabase/supabase.js to add Supabase to your project. Create a new JavaScript file to manage your authentication logic. Import the Supabase client at the top of your file with import create client from @supabase/supabase.js. Initialize the Supabase client using your project URL and API key. For email authentication, create a function that calls supabase.auth.signup. Pass the email and password as parameters to register new users. To handle sign-in, create another function that uses supabase.auth.signin. Provide email and password for users to log in. Implement error handling to manage any failed authentication attempts. Once authenticated, you can retrieve user information using supabase.auth.user. Integrate this functionality into your main application logic. Test the authentication flow thoroughly to ensure a smooth user experience. With these steps completed, your Supabase Auth integration for the crypto app is ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.